Today's video is on the most buzzing topic of the town, AI. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned enthusiast, this video is for you. Artificial intelligence, a space where machines mimic human cognitive functions, is reshaping industries and revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Today, we'll cover the mysteries and potentials of AI, unlocking a future where innovation knows no bounds. 1. Introduction to AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly advancing field that is revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. It is a broad term that encompasses the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Through machine learning algorithms, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that information. This allows AI to tackle complex problems and automate tasks that were previously done by humans. For example, AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa can understand natural language, answer questions, and perform various tasks on command. AI-powered robots are being used in industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. These robots can perform tasks with precision, speed, and endurance that surpass human capabilities. Self-driving cars, which use AI to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely, are another example of how AI is transforming transportation. As AI continues to advance, it is likely to have an even greater impact on our lives in the future. While there are concerns about the potential negative consequences of AI, such as job displacement and ethical issues, as we navigate this exciting new era of AI, it is important to ensure that it is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner that benefits humanity as a whole. 2. The evolution of AI. AI has made remarkable progress from its beginnings. Initially, AI systems were quite basic and could only handle specific tasks. However, with the development of machine learning and deep learning, AI has become much more sophisticated. Machine learning enables computers to learn from data, improving their performance over time. On the other hand, deep learning, inspired by the human brain's neural networks, has revolutionized AI by enabling it to process complex information and make decisions in a way that resembles human thinking. The integration of machine learning and deep learning has propelled AI to new heights, leading to groundbreaking advancements across different industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with a level of accuracy that was previously unattainable. These technologies have also enhanced automation processes, making tasks more efficient and cost-effective. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to transform industries and improve everyday life is becoming increasingly evident. In conclusion, the evolution of AI through machine learning and deep learning has revolutionized the capabilities of artificial intelligence. These technologies have enabled AI systems to learn, adapt, and make decisions in ways that were once thought to be exclusive to human intelligence. As AI continues to advance, it holds the promise of driving innovation, improving efficiency, and solving complex problems across a wide range of fields. The future of AI is bright, with endless possibilities for further growth and development that will continue to shape the world we live in. 3. Practical applications of AI. AI has a wide range of practical applications that are revolutionizing various industries and aspects of our lives. One of the most significant areas where AI is making a difference is in healthcare. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, test results, and research studies, to help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently. By identifying patterns and anomalies in the data, AI can assist in detecting diseases at earlier stages, leading to better treatment outcomes. Moreover, AI is enabling the development of personalized treatment plans tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup, medical history, and lifestyle factors. This precision medicine approach has the potential to improve the effectiveness of treatments and reduce the risk of adverse reactions. AI algorithms are used to detect fraudulent activities in real time, protecting individuals and businesses from financial losses. These algorithms analyze transaction patterns, identify suspicious activities, and alert authorities promptly. AI is also being used to manage investments and optimize portfolios. By processing vast amounts of financial data, AI can identify trends, predict market movements, and make informed investment decisions. This has led to more efficient and profitable investment strategies, benefiting both individual investors and financial institutions. AI is not only transforming industries, but also enhancing our daily lives through virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These AI-powered assistants can understand natural language, answer questions, and perform various tasks, such as setting reminders, playing music, and controlling smart home devices. They learn from user interactions and continuously improve their capabilities, making them more helpful and efficient over time. Virtual assistants have become an integral part of many people's lives, providing convenience and simplifying daily tasks. As AI continues to advance, its applications will only expand, touching every aspect of our lives. From healthcare and finance to education and transportation, AI will play a crucial role in driving innovation, improving efficiency, and enhancing our overall quality of life. However, it is essential to address the ethical and societal implications of AI, ensuring that it is developed and used responsibly to benefit humanity as a whole. 4. The future of AI. The future of artificial intelligence, AI, holds immense promise for transforming various aspects of our lives, making them more convenient, efficient, and advanced. Experts foresee an even greater integration of AI across numerous sectors, from transportation to healthcare and beyond, in the coming years. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is the rise of autonomous vehicles, which will revolutionize the way we commute and travel. These self-driving cars, powered by AI, will not only provide us with a more comfortable and hassle-free travel experience, but also have the potential to significantly reduce traffic accidents and congestion. Another area where AI is expected to make a significant impact is in the development of smart cities. By integrating AI-powered infrastructure, cities will be able to optimize resources, reduce waste, and enhance the overall quality of life for residents. From intelligent traffic management systems to energy-efficient buildings, smart cities will be at the forefront of sustainable urban development. Furthermore, advanced robotics, empowered by AI, will take on tasks that were once deemed impossible, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was achievable. These AI-driven robots will be able to perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency, revolutionizing industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. However, as AI continues to advance and become more prevalent in our daily lives, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications and potential risks associated with this powerful technology. With great power comes great responsibility, and it is up to us, as a society, to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that benefits humanity as a whole. This means addressing concerns such as privacy, security, bias, and the potential displacement of jobs due to automation. It also requires ongoing collaboration between policymakers, technologists, and the public to establish guidelines and regulations that promote the responsible use of AI while still allowing for innovation and progress. As we look towards the future, it is clear that AI will play an increasingly significant role in shaping our world. While the potential benefits are vast, it is essential that we approach this future with a balanced perspective, recognizing both the opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead. By working together to harness the power of AI while mitigating its risks, we can create a future that is brighter, more efficient, and more equitable for all. 5. Ethical considerations. As artificial intelligence technology advances, it brings up important ethical questions that we need to address. One key concern is privacy. How do we ensure that personal data is protected when AI systems are collecting and analyzing vast amounts of information? Another issue is job displacement. As AI automates tasks, what happens to workers whose jobs are no longer needed? It's crucial to find ways to support and retrain workers in industries affected by AI. Additionally, transparency in decision-making is essential. When AI systems make decisions that impact people's lives, it's important to understand how those decisions are reached and ensure they are fair and unbiased. To navigate these ethical challenges, collaboration between developers and policymakers is essential. Developers need to design AI systems with privacy and ethical considerations in mind from the start. They should prioritize building systems that respect user privacy and autonomy. Policymakers, on the other hand, play a crucial role in creating regulations and guidelines that ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. By working together, developers and policymakers can create a framework that balances innovation with ethical considerations, ultimately benefiting society as a whole. By addressing these ethical considerations proactively, we can harness the power of AI to improve our lives while minimizing potential risks. It's a balancing act between embracing the benefits of AI technology and safeguarding against its potential negative impacts. With careful planning, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical principles, we can shape a future where AI enhances our lives in a responsible and sustainable way. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking.